Hello friends, here in this video I just want to show you Pacific Ocean map. Okay, we start from here. This is Bering Sea and this area is called Bering Strait, Alaska Peninsula, Kamchatka Peninsula, Sea of Okhotsk, Kuril Islands, Japan, Hokkaido, Honshu, Sea of Japan, Yellow Sea, East China Sea, Korea, Taiwan, Philippines, Palau, New Guinea, Australia, New Caledonia, Coral Sea, Vanuatu, New Zealand, Tasmania, Tasman Sea, Vanuatu, Fiji, Tuvalu, Solomon Island, Nauru, Micronesia, Guam, Marshall Islands, Kiribati, Samoa, Fiji, Tonga, Niue, Cook Island, Samoa, French Polynesia, Pitcairn, Hawaii, Hawaiian Islands, Gulf of Alaska. This is North American West Coast, Central America, Galapagos, and South America West Coast. Okay friends, if you like my video, then please hit the like button and leave a comment on comment section. And if you really like my video, then please share this video with your friends and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for the future notification. Thank you friends.